That song, where I can't remember one. I remember Yoruba people. They are wonderful. If you know you are Yoruba, you are proud to be a Yoruba, a round of applause for yourself. I don't tell God, say if I want marry, I go like marry Yoruba woman. And I don't ask me why. Because if you marry Yoruba woman, you need to spend money. Just pay the bride price. That's all. You go surprise. Iya Shukura go cook come. Iya Mogidi go bring food. Iya Shola go bring food. Iya Kafaya go bring food. Food go full everywhere. And their meat, that's why they big. You go shop meat, all your job go pay you. Sometimes you go carry meat, go house. I love them so much. But what thing I don't like about them, nothing where Yoruba man they do with their mouth they open. Iwo and they no get power. Iwo timba forget give and blow for eye. See reaction. Ojumi. Oga no talk to Ramona Jet. Emak Pamileni. And as they born Pekin, I saw that they give their Pekin name. If they born Pekin, if he's short, Shola, he tall, taller, he slim, Slimato. He get racist, Rashida. If they look too much, look more. Big head, big teeth, big short, Kele, Kemi, Bole, Bola, Iwawa, Wole. Najoku. In case we have Pastor Wale here, it's all joke. And not be like, they talk about the Yoruba people, Igbo, they laugh. Igbo Kwenu. Igbo people, they show me shege for this Lagos when I enter. The first money I make for comedy, now they deceive me, go Alaba International, I go buy generator. When I reach there, Igbo men begin to deceive me. Say this, I pass my neighbor, go carry big gen. Who? Now I buy the gen, carry the gen, reach house. For the gen body, the right Yamaha. When I come out the label, na Yamakwa. Gen when I offer my domot, begin the train, go my demo domot. I go cash and I say, come back here, and I buy a put. Make the gen no loss. I go back to Alaba International. I go buy 200 yards of wire. I say, anywhere where this gen want to go, I go see her. Now I connect the gen, and they wash Chelsea and Man U. As I they wash, gen begin the track. He cross me road. He begin to go. Now when they finish match, now begin to find my gen. I say, I beg you, see my gen. Now somebody coming from a filling station. He say, plenty man. I say, hey, I see your gen, they pass our filling station. I say, sell for 200, director in order to come out. You know, so we get three different kind of children. We get issue, we get child, we get Pekin. If you want to see issue, you go like Lekki, Banana Island, Ikoyi, Dolphin Estate. Issue, child, Festac, Sulere, Apapa, Ikeja, Maryland, Pekin, Okoko, Shibiri, Igondo, Egon. You not be picking. If Ajabota woman won't born Pekin, it's different from when Ajabako won't born. I'm not asking how. If Ajabota woman won't born like mommy Ajabota, she won't born. You know they hard. The Pekin go first kick. She go feel and she go call the house girl. Shola, give me juice from the fridge. She'll first drink juice. You go kick again. She go call it. Hello, honey. It seems the baby is coming. 5 minutes. Pastor don't leave office. Go carry the wife go hospital. Before I go walk out like this, doctor say your wife just put to bed, bouncing baby boy. But Bako, Papa, this thing will put my belly. One komoto. Go carry me go hospital. Akpo, go call your packer for that play the drink check. Let the man they play draft. Piki go there. Papa, mama won't born. They carry the mama. Lie down for labor room. Picking with inside belly. He notice I saying senior brother where they like the suffer. Morning Gary, afternoon Gary. Picking say lie in they come out. That doctor say push. Picking holy mama intestine. He say mama no force man they come outside. Make her come suffer like a boss. Push. He hold mama kidney. Doctor say go and look for 200,000. See the man begin to borrow money. They borrow money as the money complete 200,000. Picking with inside belly say 200,000. As the papa won't just give the doctor. Now he come outside. Boom. Papa get the money man start business. I think that's my time. Thank you very much. God bless you.